Hi, myself M. Sai Siddharth and I'm from Mechanical Regular and I'm here to present about batteries and their characteristics. When we discuss about batteries, what are battery? What is a battery? Battery is a device that generates electrical power from the control flow of ions, positive and negative ions, which are called chemical reactions or redox reaction. Later, they can be used for a wide range of application from charging smartwatches to renewable energy to electrical vehicles. A battery consists of one or more electrochemical cells with cathode, anode, and electrolyte components. A battery is the best source of electrical power, which consists of one or more electrochemical cells with external connection for powering electrical devices. Generally, what is a battery? Battery is a device that generates electricity from chemical reaction, uh, and it generates electricity from control flow of ions. Generally, they are positive and negative ions. And when to move to the next, when we discuss about type of batteries, there are various type of batteries based on charging capacity. We can divide them into two types. They are primary cell batteries and secondary cell batteries. When we discuss about primary cell batteries, what are primary cell batteries? Primary cell batteries are designed to be used only for once and discharged. We cannot recharge these type of batteries. Some examples of primary cell batteries are alkaline cells, aluminum air battery, atomic battery, and Daniel cell or galvanic cell. Next, when we discuss about advantages of a primary cell battery, these are ready to be used and they will be having high long shelf life, initial voltage, wide temperature, and low self discharge. When we discuss about disadvantages of a primary cell battery, these are non-rechargeable. These will be having limited capacity and environmental impact, potential cost over time, and performance declines with use. Which means these are batteries which having disadvantages of lower performance when we start using it through time. Next, when we discuss about secondary batteries, what are secondary batteries? Secondary cell batteries are those type of batteries which can be recharged after one it get discharged. We can recharge the batteries and example of secondary cell batteries are nickel cadmium batteries, lead acid batteries, nickel iron batteries, sodium ion batteries, and lithium ion batteries. And when we discuss about advantages of a secondary cell batteries, these are reusable and rechargeable. These having cost effective in the long run, reduced environmental impact, higher capacity, convenient for frequent use, and their versatile. When we discuss about disadvantages of a secondary cell battery, they require charging time, limited lifespan, initial purchase cost, and slightly lower voltage output. And when we discuss about characteristics of a battery, the major characteristics of the batteries are voltage, capacity, energy density, power density, internal resistance, self-discharge, and discharging current. These are the major characteristics of a battery which defines the battery to which they can be used and which they can be applicable for. Now, when we talk about differences between the primary cell batteries and secondary cell batteries based on the characteristics, first is rechargeability. Primary cell batteries are non-rechargeable and they can be used only single time, whereas secondary batteries are rechargeable and they can be used multiple times. When we talk about typical chemistry, I mean, the examples of primary batteries includes zinc carbon, alkaline, lithium, etc. Whereas secondary batteries includes lithium ion, nickel metal hydride, lead acid, etc. Now, let us discuss about voltage. Based on the voltage characteristics, primary batteries will be having fixed voltage, usually around 1.5 volts, whereas secondary batteries having no fixed voltage, it varies by the type. Like example, 3.6 voltage for lithium ion battery and 1.2 voltage for nickel metal hydride battery. And when we talk about capacity, uh, the primary batteries will be having lower capacity compared to rechargeable batteries, whereas secondary batteries higher capacity and these can be used for high drain devices. The initial cost of a primary cell battery is more affordable, whereas initial cost of a secondary battery is high. And the maintenance for primary battery is not needed, whereas proper maintenance and discharging should be for charging and discharging should be needed for secondary batteries. When we talk about applications of a battery, the portable electrons, medical equipment, toys, emergency backup, space mission, electronic devices, transportation, renewable energy sources. We can use it anywhere. Anywhere these can be used, and major applications of these batteries are these. Thank you. Thank you.